take a look at this video. This is the new method of getting cooking gas free of charge. So what these people are doing is biogas, and this thing, of course, all you need is just your waste. Either you use your sockaway or you use your kitchen waste, regular kitchen waste. For example, the one they are testing now is kitchen waste, and you're going to see it didn't take it up to 1 minute to fry this egg. Just watch. In less than 1 minute, the egg is fried. Now, because of the cost of gas today, which is almost unaffordable for a lot of people, so many people are looking for alternative means of energy, especially cooking at home. And now this biogas or that biodigester, whatever they call it, is one of the best solutions for those who know much about it. And if you notice what they are doing here, this is sockaway. So instead of the regular deep sockaway that looks like, that usually look very big and regularly get filled and disposed, this particular one, as small as it is, according to this engineer, he says this thing can never get filled. No matter how long you use it, it will never get filled. And instead of it getting filled, rather it will be giving you heat energy that you can be using to cook in your house. Just watch and see as they are installing another one for this person. In fact, this person already has sockaway, but because he needed it, they also have to install it for him in his house. And you're going to see them complete it. Just watch. A lot of people have argued that this thing doesn't work or something, but this young man has been doing this installation across so many states in Nigeria, and they have been giving positive reports and positive reviews. I'm equally surprised to see that this has been in existence and many people have not been using it, considering the fact that this thing comes free. Now, he has so many things he mixes up with it, and you can see them mixing the waste. They mix the waste and empty it into those containers, and they will continue to give heat energy, that is flame that you can gas that you'll be using to cook in your kitchen. And it is, according to him, he said it is safe and has absolutely no bad saints or anything, that it is perfectly secured. And of course, you can see him installing it for different people across different places and different families, and they are using it, and they've been giving good reviews. I'm equally surprised. I'm surprised. You can see as they are pouring the waste, you can see the filter is bubbling, showing you sign that gas is already coming out from there. And this is incredible. This is just waste. This is kitchen waste. Don't feel anyhow. This is kitchen waste, and you can see the way they are trying to get them stocked into that container. And this is the first container that stores the gas that come out from the major waste container. And then from this container here, the gas goes direct into your kitchen. It is also filtered properly so that it doesn't give bad smell inside the kitchen. It is just everything is well structured. Now watch and see how it works. You are going to see pure, perfect blue flame. You can see that. You can see from waste. Please, if you know more about this, give us your own idea or your own opinion on the comment section. Thank you.